Shall we now prepare the tasty Hyderabadi chicken biryani? For this dish, the chicken pieces have to be a little bigger, just like we cut for biryani. Add green chili, then mint, then ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves, peppercorn, and black cumin seeds. Add chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt to taste, coriander powder. Then whole garam masala is to be added to this, bay leaf, that is cinnamon, and cloves, cardamom. This is black cardamom, add this too. Then add fried onions to this. And lastly, add a little curd. Mix all these so that they are well integrated. It has to be mixed like this. Yeah, mix it properly. Add a little oil. And then take a spatula and then allow the oil to go inside so that stir it in such a way. We are now going to marinate this for about an hour. Next, we are going to boil the rice for the biryani. Pour oil in boiling hot water. The oil prevents the rice grains from sticking to each other. Add salt to taste. Let us put the basmati rice soaked for 30 minutes into this and boil it up to 50% level so that the rest can be boiled along with the chicken later. After we empty the rice into the pan, the water will once again start boiling, indicating that it is boiled up to 50% level. It should be strained immediately, otherwise it will be fully boiled. Next, put the chicken that has been marinated for an hour into the biryani vessel. Spread the chicken evenly with a spatula. Now empty the half-boiled rice into this. Spread the rice too with the spatula evenly like this. Spread cut coriander leaves and then mint leaves too. Also spread fried onions onto this. Then fried cashew. Then sprinkle saffron color on it. Now spread a towel on the container and then close the lid so that the biryani will have enough pressure for it to boil and cook well. Otherwise, the steam escapes and it will not be uniformly cooked. If you have an appropriate lid for it, then you don't need to use the towel at all, but the lid has to be absolutely tight. Let us switch on the stove now. Let us now cook this for 5 minutes in high flame. The next 10 minutes in medium flame. And the final 10 minutes in simmering flame. Your biryani is ready now. Allow it to cool for a little while and then mix it with a spatula, otherwise the rice might get broken. Your Hyderabadi chicken biryani is ready to be gobbled.